So guys, for the first method, once you're on our web browser, you want to find your tab which has YouTube open. So first, you want to right click on it, and then you want to click on mute site. Then you want to right click on it again, and then click on unmute site, and then see if this works for you. Now for the second method, you want to make sure that the sound is not muted. So you want to click on unmute. Make sure that the sound's at the max, and see if that works for you. Now for the third method, if you're using Google Chrome, you want to head over to the link which we'll leave down below in the description, which will then take you to the sound settings on Google Chrome. If you're using a different web browser, you want to locate the sound settings. Now once you're in the sound settings, you want to make sure that under default behavior, you have that sites can play sound. And then you want to scroll down, and then where it says not allowed to play sound, if you see YouTube here, you want to remove it. So it will let you remove it. And then make sure that it's on the allowed to play sound tab. You can add it, and then just add YouTube right here. Now for the next method, you want to click on the speakers in the bottom right of your taskbar. Make sure that this is on 100%, and then you want to click on this right here. Make sure the correct output device has been selected. Now for the last method, you want to head over to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And then you want to run the audio troubleshooter. Click on run. This will load up. It's going to ask you consent to run the automated diagnosis. You want to click on yes. And then you want to follow all the steps, and then this should fix your problem. Now once you complete this final method, you want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.